I'm at Alice's Kitchen, located at 9556 Las Tunas Drive, Temple City, LA County. Alice's Kitchen is a chain Hong Kong-style cafe serving authentic Hong Kong traditional street food and meals. The original restaurant is located at City of Monterey Park. I visit Temple City location at weekday lunch hours. I can feel the old Hong Kong elements all around the restaurant to remind my visit to Hong Kong 10 years ago. I have a cup of Hong Kong-style coffee milk tea for $1.95, one jumbo Hong Kong-style pineapple bun with pork chop for $10.25, and classic ribeye steak combo sided with corn, pasta, and mushroom sauce for $19.25. I'm at Alice's Kitchen, located in Temple City, and this is the lunchtime, weekday lunch. This is Hong Kong style coffee milk tea, and this one is hot. You can order hot or cold. Drink this. This is what we ordered today. This one is the classic steak combo with the ribeye steak and with the mushroom sauce. This is the corn, and this one is the pasta with tomato sauce. And this order is jumbo Hong Kong style pineapple bun with pork chop. Let's try the steak with the mushroom sauce. Some sauce on the steak. I'll give it a taste. The steak is tender and juicy with the mushroom sauce. That's very good. Try the corn. That's a fresh corn. And try the pasta with tomato sauce. That's good pasta with tomato sauce. This order is the jumbo Hong Kong style pineapple bun with pork chop. Let's see what's inside. This is the pineapple bread, and this is the egg, and this is the pork chop. We got 1, 2 pork chops, and then this is tomato, and this is the cheese. This order comes with fork and knife, but it's very crispy, so it's hard to cut. So let's taste this. pineapple bun with the pork chop. Pineapple bun is crispy, pork chop is juicy. Together, that's very nice taste combination. Very nice. Let's drink this. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.